Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create a professional QR code for your business, website, or social media but didn't know where to start, this video is for you. In this full Canva guide, I'll show you how to make a custom QR code in just a few clicks. No coding, no confusion, just pure simplicity. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Canva and log into your account. You can do this from your desktop or mobile device. Both work perfectly fine. Once you're in the Canva dashboard, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on the Apps button. This is Canva's toolbox filled with built-in features and integrations that make your design so much more powerful. Inside the Apps section, go to the search bar and type QR code. Canva has its own QR code generator app, and it should pop up right away. Click on it to open the tool. Next, you'll see a field asking for a URL. This is where you paste the link you want your QR code to direct people to. It could be your website, YouTube channel, online store, a product page, or even a Google form. Literally anything that lives online. Once you've added your link, click Generate Code. And just like that, Canva instantly creates your personalized QR code. You'll now see the QR code appear on your design canvas. You can resize it, move it around, change the background, or add it to any project, like business cards, posters, flyers, or even social media posts. And the best part, you can download or share it directly. Just go to the top right corner, hit share or download, and choose your preferred format, PNG, JPG, or PDF. That's it. You've just created a fully functional scannable QR code without leaving Canva. And there you have it. That's how you create a QR code in Canva. Super easy, right? Whether you're promoting your brand, linking to your social media, or just making your designs more interactive, QR codes are a total game changer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick Canva tips and design hacks every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.